tears fall down from the sky as the storm begins to rise, and black is all you can see on their clothes and all over me. Disaster has already begun. Rain has washed away the sun, and silence has reached its end. Sunny days are never again. Seems like every time it rains, someone else has died in vain, and their tears are in the rain. And every time I slip into my room, I'll remember everything